بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
سبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth glorifies Allah, and only He is the most honorable, the wise.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لم تقولون ما لا تفعلون.
O believers, why do you say that which you do not practice?
كبر مقتا عند الله أن تقولوا ما لا تفعلون.
How detestable it is to Allah that you say that which you do not practice.
إن الله يحب الذين يقاتلون في سبيله صفا كأنهم بنيان مرصوص.
Verily, Allah befriends those who fight in His cause in rows as if they are a solidified structure.
وإذ قال موسى لقومه يا قوم لم تؤذونني وقد تعلمون أني رسول الله إليكم فلما زاغوا أزاغ الله قلوبهم والله لا يهدي القوم الفاسقين.
And remember when Musa said to his nation, O my people, why do you trouble me, whereas you know with certainty that I am Allah's messenger towards you? So when they deviated, Allah caused their hearts to deviate, and Allah does not guide the transgressing people.
وإذ قال عيسى بن مريم يا بني إسرائيل إني رسول الله إليكم مصدقا لما بين يدي من التوراة ومبشرا برسول يأتي من بعد اسمه أحمد فلما جاءهم بالبينات قالوا هذا سحر مبين.
And remember when Isa the son of Maryam said, O children of Israel, I am Allah's messenger towards you, confirming the book, the Torah which was before me, and giving glad tidings of a great messenger who will come after me. His name is Ahmad. Then when Ahmad came to them with clear proofs, they, i.e., the disbelievers said, this is clear magic.
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله الكذب وهو يدعى إلى الإسلام والله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين.
And who is more unjust than the one who fabricates lie against Allah whilst he is being called towards Islam? And Allah does not guide the unjust.
يريدون ليطفئوا نور الله بأفواههم والله متم نوره ولو كره الكافرون.
They wish to extinguish the light of Allah by blowing with their mouths, and Allah is to complete His light even if the disbelievers get annoyed.
هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله ولو كره المشركون.
It is He who has sent His messenger with guidance and the true religion, that He may make it prevail over all other religions, even if the polytheists get annoyed.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا هل أدلكم على تجارة تنجيكم من عذاب أليم.
O believers, shall I tell you of that trade which can save you from the painful punishment?
تؤمنون بالله ورسوله وتجاهدون في سبيل الله بأموالكم وأنفسكم ذلكم خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون.
Believe in Allah and His Messenger and fight in Allah's cause with your wealth and your lives. This is better for you if you know.
يغفر لكم ذنوبكم ويدخلكم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ومساكن طيبة في جنات عدن ذلك الفوز العظيم.
He will forgive your sins and admit you into gardens beneath which rivers flow, and into the pure palaces which are in gardens of dwelling in paradise. This is the great success.
وأخرى تحبونها نصر من الله وفتح قريب وبشر المؤمنين.
And He will give you another favor which is dear to you, the help from Allah and the forthcoming victory. And O beloved, give glad tidings to the Muslims.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا كونوا أنصار الله كما قال عيسى بن مريم للحواريين من أنصاري إلى الله قال الحواريون نحن أنصار الله فآمنت طائفة من بني إسرائيل وكفرت طائفة فأيدنا الذين آمنوا على عدوهم فأصبحوا ظاهرين.
O believers, become the helpers of God's religion, just like Isa, the son of Maryam, has said to the disciples, "Who will help me?" whilst inclining towards Allah. The disciples said, "We are the helpers of God's religion." So a group among the children of Israel believed and another group disbelieved. We henceforth helped the believers against their enemies, so they, i.e., the believers, were dominant over the disbelievers.
صدق الله العظيم.